Glenn Morris here from the Smart Energy Lab. I'm here in the last hours of the first day of the Smart Energy Conference here in Sydney, and I'm at the Franklin stand. Franklin WH. WH is important, whole home. This product is designed as a whole home backup solution. I'm very interested to learn more, and I'm going to get one of the tech guys to answer all my tricky questions. Let's get into it. Well, here he is. This is Andrew from Franklin Whole Home. Is that how you say it, or just WH?
You can say either, Glenn.
Oh, okay.
Franklin WH rolls off the tongue.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. And I just assumed that WH was for whole home, because this system's capable of backing up your whole home.
Certainly is.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Now, what are we standing in front of here?
This is our all-in-one AC coupled battery, the Franklin A-Power, and it's designed to connect AC coupled to any existing solar, or you can install it with new solar. But inside there is a 15 kilowatt hour cell pack, proprietary BMS unit, proprietary inverter unit, 5 kVA continuous, 10 kVA surge. 10 kVA surge, that's really big. Okay, wow. So 15 kilowatt hour storage would be really great for the new post 1st of May rebate. So sweet number there. Can you have more than one of these? Certainly.
Yeah?
Yeah, so these are designed to parallel. And so every additional unit you add, you get more energy and more power.
Right, so if I had two of them, I get 30 kilowatt hours, that's nice. This is a bit over the second tier now, which is great, 28 kilowatt hours, and 10 kilowatts or kVA for using engineer speak, of continuous power with 20 kilowatts of surge.
Correct.
Be able to start all those big motors and things.
Hence the whole home. That's it.
Yeah, hence the whole home. Now, when I've got two of them, do I need some additional equipment?
You will always need the gateway, so that this is only half the story.
Yep. What's the gateway do?
So the gateway allows the whole home backup. So this, I guess you could call it as a power router, or your grid connects in there, the battery connects, your solar connects, your backup circuits connect. And if you wish, you can have controllable loads and a generator set as well.
Generator, really? Okay, so grid, battery, solar, generator, you've got everything covered there. Wow, that's pretty cool. Now, if I'm a customer with existing solar, can I add this battery storage system to it?
Certainly.
Yeah?
It's designed to make that a very simple outcome for people, yes.
Yeah. So it basically just connects the existing solar to the gateway, is that right?
Yep.
And the Franklin comes with a gateway. Like you say, it's an integral component of it. Has it also got any communication functions?
Of course it does. So the gateway is sort of the site manager.
Yep.
So it will talk to all the A-Power batteries over CAN bus, control those for your self-consumption or your time of use.
Yep.
And in terms of controlling PV inverters, we don't need to do that during grid-tied situations, but once we're off-grid, we employ frequency shift and also binary control via the integrated relay.
All right. Well, maybe I'll do a little explainer. So frequency shift is a way of having black start protection, meaning that you can control any brand of inverter that's compliant with our standard, 4777 Part 2.
Correct.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I run my lab on frequency shift, so it's a great thing. So this unit then, basically, the whole home backup, including when there's a long blackout, you still got your solar working, even if it's an existing system.
That's right. Yeah, so what happens, the PV inverter doesn't even realise the grid's gone because we maintain the grid from the battery. So it creates a microgrid. The solar keeps running, so you can harvest power to charge the battery while maintaining power to the loads.
Yep.
And in the evening time, obviously your battery's covering that. But should you run out of stored energy, you can then start the generator, which you can set up for auto start.
Total reliability then. Yeah. So tell me a bit about the company. I mean, the name Franklin makes me think of Benjamin Franklin. And did he invent the battery?
He coined the term battery.
Did he?
Yeah, he did.
I didn't know that. Really?
Yeah, back in, I think it was 1784. I may have the date wrong. But
yeah.
So he coined the term battery, which our marketing team and founders enjoyed and latched onto that to tell the story.
Yeah.
But the company was started in the USA.
Yep.
And the founders wanted to offer a product that gave homeowners peace of mind. Because I don't know how much you read in the news about the reliability of the grids in the US, but they're highly stressed and there's a lot of liability tied to maintaining the infrastructure and starting bushfires and so forth. So it's quite common for US homes to lose power 5 times a month.
Whoa, gee.
From, a couple of hours to even up to 12 hours.
Yeah.
The the founding engineers wanted to create something that solved that problem, but did it in a way that it gave customers peace of mind that it would last the test of time, and so it could justify the return on investment, both for energy reliability, but also long-term performance as well.
Now, a little more about the company. You've got a lot of people wearing Franklin lanyards here. You've got a strong Australian presence as well?
We do, yes. We've got our headquarters here in Sydney,
Yep.
and a bunch of us located around the eastern seaboard. So I live in Melbourne myself. I work remotely. We've got quite a sizable office here, and well staffed in sales, support, and product development.
So is there any plans to go into different parts of the market, like C&I, or are you just sticking with the resi at the moment?
I think we'll stick to our strengths at the moment, but we've definitely gone from, I guess, mainly grid side with backup into the pure off-grid market.
All right.
And we're growing market share there as people gain more confidence using us in those applications.
Oh, off-grid. Of course, you've got the generator control function, which is kind of essential, really. Yeah, oh, that's really good to hear.
Yeah, and you can do quite a high level of oversizing on the PV side because we've got both frequency shift and the relay.
Yep.
You can whack 20 kilowatts of PV AC coupled into the gateway, and then 2 or 3 batteries would serve most homes for off-grid, and you're pretty sorted.
So the relay can disconnect the solar if there's any issue with too much reverse power.
Exactly.
Right. Oh, okay. So in terms of charging this unit, can it charge at 5 kilowatts?
It can.
Right.
Yep.
So it's bi-directional, 5 kilowatts.
Yep.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Now, is this suitable for outdoor installations?
Absolutely. So this unit's actually rated for IP67,
Wow.
which, as you'll know, is submersible.
Yeah.
And there's a wiring compartment on the top left.
Yeah.
That's IP56.
That's the level.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So up to here, and we've had,
Whoa.
in
Whoa.
fact, there's case studies on our website of on the east coast of the US. It's quite common to install all your electrical plant in the basements.
Yeah.
And those get inundated. So there's been a few stories of homes being powered by a semi-submerged Franklin battery.
Right. Oh, I'd be a bit nervous about going near it though, because those wires might get wet. But yeah, oh, well, that's a very strong recommendation for its weatherproofness. Yeah. Of course, the gateway you'll have out a little bit higher, but yeah.
I should also mention that we've got a triple coat, triple bake enamel finish
So shiny.
as well, which allows you, first of all, it gives it that beautiful look on day one, but it also means it's still going to look great after the 12-year warranty period as well.
Oh, Benjamin, he'll be really impressed with you. He might have invented the word battery, flying his kite, trying to get some electricity into it, but you solved the problem. Well, thank you, Andrew.
Thanks, Glenn. Pleasure.
Cool.